PaperCraft Essentials is a wonderful magazine, and this is issue 185. Wow. And you get a taste of what's going to be inside, but let me show you. There is a nice blend of stamps as well as some cutting dies included. So 5 cutting dies and 25 stamps. Now, they say April showers bring May flowers, and that's obviously true, but you know, here in Oregon we have showers all year long, so this is really good for any of us. And let me show you what's in the magazine, and let me show you just some examples. I thought this was pretty amazing. This is something I've not seen before. This is an impressive star fold card. So that's a fun thing to see, and you can see the step-by-step information of how to recreate that. Then we're going to go into another section that talks about using beads, seed beads. Now, if you have seed beads, you never just have one, you have a whole collection. And here are ways that you can string them, put them on your cards, add them as embellishments, and that's really nice to see, and something very different. We also have some step-by-step photos and always step-by-step instructions. And let me go over here. So we've got, this is a cutout and keep section, and this is going to pertain exclusively to the products that you receive with the magazine. So you get some ideas there. I love this circle card using with the rainbows and the umbrellas, and you could get close up and get information right here. So very fun to see. Nice to have that cutting die to go with your umbrella, and very, very fun to see. So just, you can do a real simple background and just let your rainbow umbrella take care of you. And we also have a shaker card. Now that seems like a really good idea and very fun to work with your umbrellas and your rain and your sunshine days. Then we have some more. There's that great big circle card. I thought it was really a great idea to die cut the umbrella out of a silver cardstock or silver paper. Really, really good. These are designed by a company called Clearly Besotted. Happens to be 2 sisters, and there's some information about them and how they operate. Here are more under the umbrella, so we're getting into some different looks outside of just that rainbow look. Again, a whole series of shakers on one card. Very nice. Happy birthday. And that's very fun to have. So those umbrellas can do a lot of double duty. They could go masculine or feminine. This is another one. This is a movable card, so that's a nice thing to have. Here we have, these are called open border cards. Now, I think you can see down here that is a die cut, or cutting die has been used right there at the bottom of the card or the side of the card, making what they're calling an open border. Really a very pretty technique and nice to know. I love getting those great big photographs, let you really see what's going on. So this might be something handy to put into your creative toolbox. And there are some more, so just lovely. And let's go over here. These are some ways to use lace, and I thought that was really interesting. Now, we happen at paperwishes.com that we have white lace, black lace, and cream lace. So you can have some ways to use them, and I think that's a nice idea. Here we have tone-on-tone stamping, and these are using the creative expressions. Is that true? Yes. No, it isn't. This is Crafter's Companion. So anyway, we carry them, so that's just fine. Okay, so lots of good ideas. A really charming set of stamps and cutting dies in PaperCraft Essentials number 185, on sale now.